So, congratulations.
Thank you, madam.
Today you received your offer letter.
Yeah, ma'am.
Congratulations for that. Okay. So, today we will have a small interaction with you. We will understand how the course has been done. Can you introduce yourself in brief, Mukesh?
Yeah, ma'am. My name is Bukesh, and I am from Gulbarga. I have completed my BE in civil engineering from PDA College of Engineering, Gulbarga. Currently, I am here pursuing CACM course.
Okay, that's nice. Um, which year you have completed, Mukesh? Your engineering, when did you complete it?
I completed BE in 2020.
2020. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So 1 year, what you were doing after 2020 to 2021?
As lockdown was there, sitting at home and watching civil engineering and reading.
Okay. So you were revising the civil concepts.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next thing I want to know about, you told like you have joined CMTA to pursue the CACM course. Let me know, how did you come to know about CMTI?
Before 1 year, one of my friend did CACM course from here, and from them I got to know that about CACM course, and then I watched a few of the videos from YouTube, and I installed the application which is of CMTI, and from there I got to know about CMTI and how it is, what it is about.
Okay, so you came to know initially from your friend, then from YouTube.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so how did you contacted CMTI then?
Yeah, I got numbers from application. I have registered on online, and then
Okay,
CMTI. If, I got from I got call from CMTI.
okay. So you have refilled the form, then you got the call from CMTI.
Yeah.
Yes. So after that, which course you have joined and what was the learnings in that course?
Yeah, I joined CACM course, which is certification course on advanced construction management, and it is a 3 months course. Uh, in this course, I have studied reading of drawings and sequence of construction, quantity survey, and also the project management about Google SketchUp, and yes, about AutoCAD. I have learned these things.
Okay. So what were the trainings you have undergone during your course?
Yeah, during the course, we have been visiting the sites. The sites, different types of sites, such as the interior sites, manufacturing sites, interior component manufacturing sites, and the also we have visited the uh, what we call RMC plants, and we have made the reports of those sites and the wherever we went for visiting.
So you were having hands-on training. That
Yeah,
means
ma'am. Mm.
hands-on training in all the sites you went.
Yeah.
Yes. So how were the trainers and how the lessons have been delivered to you? Can you tell about few words about the
All the
trainers?
trainers from here, all the trainers are professionals. They were teaching actual field work, and they were they were not just teaching, they were sharing their experience with us, ma'am. And
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you were telling about the app, no? In the app, initially, what was the first thing you have gone through? How you trusted? What made you to enroll in this course?
Um, Initially, I saw the video of Ashok sir, where he is explaining what are all the things that can be done after civil engineering. That made me get into this, and yeah, that is.
Okay. So, in the app, what are the other things have you gone through
Yeah, ma'am,
in
there were
CMTA app?
many courses which are helpful for the career, like billing engineering, casting, quantity survey, and also there are in the app the site engineering and many other courses were available.
So, you can tell few things in the Hindi also. I understand from you, like you know Hindi language also very well.
जी मैडम.
हाँ, आपको ये सीएमटी ऐप में कौन से कोर्स के बारे जानकारी किया था? क्या क्या
जी
कोर्स के
मैडम.
बारे पता किया?
जी मैम, जैसे मैंने लॉगिन किया तो बहुत सारे कोर्सेज थे, जैसे क्यूएस, क्वांटिटी सर्वे, बिलिंग इंजीनियर, साइट इंजीनियर, ये सब. और ऐसा नहीं कि जो भी ये प्रोफेसर ही बताते थे वहाँ पे, सभी एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सन्स जो भी रहते थे, जो भी अभी प्रोफेशन में है, वो लोग बताते थे. तो इसीलिए मैंने क्यों ना ऑफलाइन ही ले लिया जाए, इसलिए ऑफलाइन लिया मैडम.
ऑफलाइन लिया, ठीक है। ऑफलाइन में आने के बाद आपको क्या क्या प्रोसेस था ज्वाइन करने के लिए? वो प्रोसेस कैसे था?
जी मैडम, जैसे ही मैंने गांव से सीधा एक बैग लेके आया था मैडम, सीधा यहाँ सीधे इंस्टीट्यूट को आया यहाँ से. तो फिर यहाँ के फैकल्टी जो भी थे, उन्होंने मुझे अकोमोडेशन के लिए हेल्प किया. और हाँ मैडम, अच्छा था, पूरा एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहा.
अच्छा, तो फिर आप ज्वाइन करने के लिए क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए था? क्या प्रोसीजर था? उसके बारे में थोड़ा आप बता सकते हो हमारा फ्रेंड्स के लिए?
जी हाँ मैम, ज्वाइन करने के लिए थोड़े पहले आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, अगर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है तो ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, और हाँ मैम, इतना डॉक्यूमेंट्स तो यहाँ पे लिया था. और बाद में मार्क्स कार्ड, मार्कशीट रहेंगे तो वो भी पूछा गया. तो ये सब
कुछ
डॉक्यूमेंट.
असेसमेंट भी किया था आपको?
जी जी, पहले पहले ही दिन एक टेस्ट लिया गया था.
अच्छा,
हाँ
तो उसमें वो टेस्ट में कैसे क्वेश्चंस था? वो क्या टेक्निकल या कैसे था?
जी, वैसे इतने डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस तो नहीं थे. सभी सब्जेक्ट्स के, इंजीनियरिंग में जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स थे उनके बेसिक क्वेश्चंस थे.
अच्छा, उसका
हाँ
आंसर सबको पता गया था? पता
जी
चला?
मैडम, मैंने तब तो
अ-
सीधा, जी थोड़ा बहुत तो नहीं किया था अच्छा सा, इतना
ओके,
अच्छा नहीं किया था मैंने.
अच्छा, ठीक है। तो फिर आप कोर्स अभी पूरा कोर्स आपने खत्म किया है ना? उसके बाद आपको इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस के लिए कैसे चालू हुआ था? ये इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस और प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस वो कैसे चालू हुआ?
जी मैडम, इससे पहले तो जब हमने क्लासेस कर रहे थे तभी कम्युनिकेशन का भी क्लासेस अटेंड किया था. और इंटरव्यू के लिए सारे जो भी है यहाँ के एलुमनी, यहाँ से जो भी गए थे, उनका वीडियोस दिखाया गया, उनसे इंटरेक्शन करने का मौका दिया गया. हाँ, तो इससे थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आ गया था मैडम, क्या इंटरव्यू में क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए.
ठीक है। तो फिर इंटरव्यू का क्रैकिंग इंटरव्यू कैसे किया था आपने?
जी हाँ,
How you
जब
got prepared for your interview? How do the training helped you to crack that interview?
जो भी ट्रेनिंग टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस थे, टेक्निकल तो यहाँ पे ट्रेनर जो भी प्रोफेशनल्स थे वो आके बताया था, उन्होंने बताया था जो भी प्रोफेशनल्स थे। और कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए जैसे बताया मैंने, कम्युनिकेशंस के भी अटेंड किया था क्लासेस। और हाँ, सीनियर्स जहाँ से यहाँ से जो गए हैं जॉब कर रहे हैं अभी, उनके साथ भी इंटरेक्शंस हुआ था।
CMTA staff and how much they were supportive to you in the entire process of learning in CACM course.
Yeah, as I told you, madam, I came here with a single bag direct to the institute. Yeah, from accommodation, they have helped me to settle here. And also, while courses timings are varied, they were added to the different groups. They sent timings and all. Yes, ma'am. They were very helpful. Madam, your audio is mute.
What do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Yeah, be confident.
Be confident. Apart from that, like to your
Yeah,
juniors, like who is looking for joining the course or what they have to do after their civil engineering. As you have cracked the interview and you're going to join to your new job role, what will be the guidance from your side?
yeah, ma'am. After engineering, we have the knowledge about the engineering, or we can say that we have the knowledge about the subjects, but we need to know where to use it. Most of the time, we go for the site engineer or someone who is where we go to the contractor and get some payment like that. But we have to know our importance. If we want to know our importance, we should know the whatever things comes under the civil engineering. And we should know where to go from civil engineering. For that, we can refer CMTI. Yeah, they are very good in guiding where we have to head after civil engineering.
Mukesh, all the best for your new job role. Congratulations.